We're on our way to Melbourne. Yeah? We left the cabin at about 11. That's when checkout time was. And then we drove out of Orlando, which was a bit of a struggle because it was busy. And then we managed to find an IHOP where we had some lunch, our last breakfast sampler of the holiday. And now we're in deepest, darkest Florida, where there is literally absolutely not much, except for like sometimes here.
Sometimes a farm.
Yeah, a farm dotted around.
But
So
can you also see, notice how there's no lights?
Oh yeah, that's true. There's no
So
lights.
when you go here at night,
Yeah, I can't see.
pitch black.
Yeah.
The only thing you see is the grass on the sides. And
Yeah, exactly.
And you have no clue where.
The thing is though, where we just passed by, that was also like this, but left and right they were starting to develop. So new homes for people like us, but also 55 plus homes. So we're thinking in, you know, a couple of years there's going to be a lot more here. So if there's homes, there's going to be shops and stuff like that. So, and over here apparently it's still affordable to buy, but then you're smack in the middle of nowhere, 1 hour from Orlando, 1 hour from Melbourne. So it's kind of it's a bit isolating, I would say. But yeah, this is the Florida when it's not developed. Yeah. Where are we? In Hollopole. We're in Hollopole. There we go. Oh, and we've got lights coming up. This is actually quite freaky because right there is the swamp. That's amazing. We just saw like big open water and boats going on there. Like, was it called Gatorland or something, or Gator something?
No, it was a Gator Grill.
Gator Grill, that was it, yeah.
Those airboat thingies.
Yeah. I think we've got Melbourne coming up in the distance. Far distance. But this is very much swampy land. You can't even see it. It looks like it's just, you know, soil.
Vegetation.
Vegetation, exactly. Something's happening there because there's a lot of smoke.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy. But yes, it's still nice weather. It is forecast to be a little bit rainy this evening, but then we will be in the airport and on our way home. We'll try and bring some sun in our suitcase, but we can't promise anything. Sorry. The sun has been really lovely here. Oh. We're still on the 192. We took this road from Orlando, didn't we? It's a one road that connects both cities, and we are on our way to the beach because we have some time left before we have to drop off the car, go check in. And yes, on the left here, that's a cycle lane. It's just been mad. It's really pretty. Oh yeah, there's a golf cart in the wild, look. We are nearing the end of our destination today. Going over the bridge. Because this is already water, but it's not the sea. They've got like this peninsula. So we have to cross this bit. Because we want to go and see, it's the Atlantic Ocean, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Well, this is the Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah, well, yeah, nearly. And when we're over the bridge. Then we're going to see some waves. Maybe.
Oh.
Maybe the weather is a little bit too nice for it. Wow. Look at how pretty.
gonna be nice when they get over that.
Yeah. That's good for your physique, for your health. So yeah, look at that. Really there. And this is still the 192, the one road that we started it on in Orlando. Just literally deposits us on the beach in Melbourne, like miles away. What was it again? 61 miles from the cabin to
something like that.
here. Yeah, or a little bit more. That was to the airport. So.
Yeah.
But yes, if you see the colors on the footage, these are the colors that we're seeing at the moment. It's really nice blue skies, the greenest of green palm trees, the bluest of water. It's beautiful. And then I think Henry and I will have a look at the beach and stay there for a bit. And Kim's going for a snooze because he's a bit tired from driving, of course. It was a long journey. Took a couple of hours. Well, with a break in between, but that's okay. Hey babes!
Hi.
Where are you?
At the beach.
Which beach?
Melbourne Beach.
One of them. What sea is it?
The Atlantic Ocean.
Okay. He says casually.
Yeah.
Well, that's a bit different than Berwick.
A little bit.
A little bit. I want to feel the heat of the water or the cold. Either or.
Yeah.
Oh wow! Look at those. That's big. It's a tiny bit bigger than we're used to. You like it?
I'm gonna feel how cold it is.
Yes. Good idea. Make sure you don't have sand everywhere though. Well, that's too late, isn't it? Well, we can still descend later.
Yeah, there's a foot shower up there, so if you want to take off your shoes,
Yeah, sure.
you can just go barefoot and back up there.
Oh, that's amazing.
The wind makes it nicer.
Wow. My first ever look at the Atlantic Ocean. I can now say I've been at the Atlantic Ocean. I need to go and touch the Atlantic Ocean just to make sure that I've been here. Smells the same like the British Ocean though.
Yeah.
Can you imagine the dogs over here?
Oh, they would love it.
Yeah.
Look, in both directions.
It's amazing.
Beach as far as the eye
You can see, yeah, we don't have that back home. Because we have a little bit more coves back home.
It's a little bit more curvy.
Yeah, curvy and rocky. Yeah, we're an island after all. Ooh, sea spray. Right, I'm going to document this, that I'm going to touch the Atlantic Ocean. I'm going to document it. Come here, Walter. Ah.
Running away from us.
We need to go a little closer, I think. Tiny bit. Not too close, not too close. How beautiful is this? Coming, it's coming, it's coming. Yes! Touched it! It's nice. Touched it again. It's warm.
That's better than that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool, we better.
Look, there are people in the water there.
Can I take my shoes off and just stand in it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Well, first we need to find a place.
Yeah, hang on, let's do that.
We have to.
What do we want to do?
Oh no, so I'm gonna stand.
Okay.
I'm gonna take off my shoes as well. Go in the water.
The kids in the water. These waves are insane though. Oh yeah. Kind of bird. That's huge. Look at that. Never seen a beach this big in my life. Crazy. As far as the eye can see. Ah, little bird's back. He's funny. Hi everyone, this is Melbourne Beach on the Atlantic Ocean. Look at this, so pretty. I just wanted to quickly do, and the sun is right in my eyes, that's why this is difficult. I just wanted to do a little quick outro on our vlog series, I would call it. No, our little holiday. We've got loads and loads of footage, which I'll be, you know what, I'm going to sit the other way around because the sun really is hard in my eyes. So we've got loads of footage. I hope you've enjoyed it. Might be a bit random here and there, but I'll hope to edit it in some way that it makes sense. We've literally got 3 full HD cards, like SD cards full of footage. So once we step on the plane today, I'll start editing some footage, see if I can pop it online. We've had 2 weeks of just glorious weather, glorious holiday. It's been absolutely amazing. Can't wait to come back. Definitely can't wait to do some more beach life. It's lovely up here. Look at these 2 there. Can you see them? Hang on. Let's see if you can see them. There you go. So yes, this is the end of our holiday. I hope you've enjoyed it. We have. But we do need a holiday from our holiday now. It's been really busy, really fun filled. We're coming home to 3 excited dogs and a Halloween party. And then the Christmas season is starting. I can't believe that I'm saying this in 30-degree sunshine. But we're going back to London and it's going to be cold and drab and dreary and yeah, some lovely autumn weather to get us in the mood, I suspect, for Christmas. I'm not sure how people here get in the mood for Christmas, that's another story. But for us, Moose is on the move. Now it's over and out. We'll see you next time. Bye.